Check out our newest feature release. We now have conversation metrics for email campaigns. Now you can directly track and showcase the revenue generated from your email campaigns. Why it matters and how this is going to help you and your business. Well, with this update, you can now clearly see and attribute the revenue generated by specific email campaigns. And you can stop guessing and base your future marketing on what you know is actually working. So let's go ahead and access editing of your campaigns. So to do that, you're going to go to marketing in the left-hand navigation, and then you're going to click on emails and then go ahead and select campaigns. Once you get down, I'm going to have you go ahead and pick one of your email campaigns and go ahead and click on the kebab, which is the three dots on the right side. You can see it highlighted on my screen. From there, that's going to open up a drop-down menu, and you're going to see the new statistics as being available. So go ahead and click on that. From there, you're going to see this window open up on the right side. It's not going to be very big, and it doesn't have a lot of detail. So let's go ahead and click on Load More Statistics. And this is where those big numbers are going to show up. Now you can view the new conversion section summary. So that is what I have highlighted in green right here. And so you can see that more specifically. Now let's go ahead and toggle on the Show Statistics in Numbers. That is the toggle that you see highlighted on my screen. And go ahead and do that next. Now you can specifically view the conversion section where you can see the total revenue generated and the revenue per receipt. Now, unfortunately, I'm using just a little sample screen, so we don't have real money here, but you can definitely see those two options, revenue per receipt and total revenue generated. Now let's go ahead and view the order details of those contacts. So that is going to be on that lower area. As you go ahead and look through on specific dates, you can actually see what specific orders were attributed to those emails. Now let's go ahead and edit the attribution window. Go ahead while you're in emails and in campaigns and click on that gear icon to open up those settings. From here, we can go ahead and add the max number of days of a campaign that should be considered for attribution. And you can also indicate if it's all campaigns or campaigns with a specific product. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.